development. So right now I'm going to show you how to access your media studio. So that way, if you have videos on your page, and you, for example, want to change the thumbnail, or you want to add a different title, or you want to do all the CEO stuff in the background, you can do that. A lot of the times, you cannot do it just on the front page or your profile page. There's a bunch of options, but there's no way to actually change any details of the video. So now that it's 2025, no longer can you access it from the More tab. Typically it would be here as Media Studio, but it is not. And another thing, you also need a premium subscription, I think, to access it. So you would have to go to premium. You would have to subscribe, get at least the basic plan, the monthly plan, if you want to cancel anytime. And then, so the way that you do it is you go to a new tab and then type in studiotwitter.com or studiox.com. And then if you're logged in, it's going to pop up here. If you're not logged in, you're probably going to have to log in somewhere over here on the side. And then basically, now you're in the media studio. So you have all these tabs on top, like library. So these are all your videos. You can also search for different content here. Producer, insights, schedule post, and analytics. And then basically I wanted to change the thumbnail of this video for some time, because it was basically this, and this is not very captivating. So what you would do is change the thumbnail. Okay, either you can choose from the video, right? So you can scroll through the video and choose, or you can just upload your own thumbnail. And then you would say change thumbnail. So I don't need to do that. But also it shows you a little bit of the analytics. And if you go here into settings, you can change the title, description, and add extra stuff, call to action, which is really cool. Content restrictions. And then also subtitles if you would like to. So there's a lot of cool stuff in here, and especially if you have a brand, this is really useful, because as you see, a lot of my videos have like a really bad thumbnail, and I need to start changing these. And I don't know what this is. Well, I guess you could post. So if you click this, you can post again. That's cool. And over here, you can upload media. So if you want to upload some new videos, you can do that too. But that's a very simple way to access the media studio, to change any detail that you want. So hopefully that was useful. And if you did enjoy it, just leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. And I really appreciate your time.